Hey, this is Patrina from Medical Affairs Strategy Hacks. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I have an awesome recommendation for you on how to make strategic thinking a habit. So my great recommendation is to check out Dorie Clark's LinkedIn learning course on how to make strategic thinking a habit. This popped up in my LinkedIn feed yesterday, and I thought, maybe I should check this out. It's probably going to be very useful for my YouTube channel. I was completely blown away by how good it is and how many great tips it has that are very practical and that you could use right away. So here are some of my favorite. Number one, use wasted time for strategic thinking. Now, what is meant by wasted time are times where you feel kind of tired or under the weather or maybe a little bit jet lagged and you're not able to fully focus on more detailed work. Number two was a great reminder to get outside and get some fresh air, and that this really helps get our creative gears going and think of really great ideas. And the last tip was to create a to-be list. So this is an upgrade of your to-do list and a way to help you prioritize your tasks and focus on what's important. You know, we have a million things on our to-do list and it's never ending and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. And this is a great way to help you prioritize. So the course has a lot more tips in there that you can use right away. I highly recommend that you check it out. It's available to LinkedIn Premium members. If you're not a LinkedIn Premium member, don't worry. I am going to cover a lot of these tips in more details and then link these to specific medical affairs examples. So stay in the loop by subscribing to the YouTube channel. Please also like, comment, and share. Also, if you would like to receive email notifications of new hacks as they come out, be sure to sign up for my newsletter. I've got the link down below. So thank you very much and see you soon.